recording it.
Yep.
Okay. She's not in a good mood because I got the rest of her shed off this morning. And I had to wake her up to clean her house. You want to come out? Come out for a little bit. You got a raised scale there. Come on. Get up. Want to come out? Want to come out? Oh, you're huffing at me too. My goodness.
I heard that too.
What? Want to come out? Hello, Mick. Oh, she's got the biggest Chewy almost. Come on, cooperate with me. Oh.
Oh.
She's, that's her nose. It's warm. Okay, relax, relax. It's alright. You're good. Say, no, I'm not. No, I'm not good. You got a little shed left on the end of your tail? Nope, we're good. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama Butt. How you doing? She finally let me get that piece off her spine on behind her neck this morning. That's your tail, silly. That's your tail, silly. She's getting as big as Chewy. She's not a heavy body. See, I'm outdoors. This is awesome. She's a hyper one compared to Chewy. Chewy just lays around most of the time. She just wants to go, go, go. You got a little bit left right there. Can I have it? Say, nope, it's not going to happen. Come over here. 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 She's real high energy. She always has been. Chewy didn't whack me with his tail all the time like she did. She was forever smacking me with her tail when she didn't want to do something. So yeah. You want to get back in your toe? You want? Here, we'll get in there. Say, no, that's not it. Or is it? You going back in? I had to bring her out to clean her enclosure. So I figured if I had her out, I'd bring her outdoors before it gets real hot today. She's beautiful though. Can you get her colors and patterns good from there?
Yep.
So I went in here and hid, I did. What are you doing, Jay? I was hoping Chewy got her grabbing. I still have my doubts because she's really, really thick through here. I figured it wouldn't hurt her to get a little exercise. She's really hard right here, so I think I have a grabbing girl here. I just finished making an egg box for Tawny this morning. I'm making one for Opal today. A nesting box. They lay their eggs inside the enclosure. Yeah. But she's real thick right here, so I think she's probably, I think Chewy finally did it right.
She just poked her head out and said hi.
I think Chewy finally got it right. It won't hurt her to be outside if she's grabbing. Well, she's not very far along. That explains why she's been so cranky lately, probably. She's been really touchy lately. Grouchy, grumpy. Oh yeah, see how thick she is through here? I think Chewy finally got it right, huh, Jay? You're acting like a pregnant woman, aren't you? Boy, there are a lot of people that want babies from her and Chewy, I'll tell you. I got some people who've been on top of the waiting list for years. She definitely feels, wow. Feel how hard she is. That's not fat. Hey, why don't you come out and say hi? Yeah, I think we're going to have a mama. I think we're going to have a mama.
So she's pregnant?
Huh?
So she's pregnant?
I'm pretty sure. Come here and feel this. How hard it is compared to the rest of her body.
I mean, I don't know. Is she going to allow it?
Yeah, she'll let you. But feel how thick that is and hard it is compared to the rest of her. She's like, don't you touch my eggs. I'll whoop your butt.
That's why I didn't touch her again.
Nah, she's a friendly snake. All my snakes are social. But, yeah, I'd say offhand she's grabbing. But it won't hurt her being outside as long as it's not too hot for her. That's not. It's comfortable right now. But, yeah, she definitely, this is usually where they carry the eggs down the lower body.
Right.
And it's really hard and really wide. So, okay, and I'd say she's going to be a mama. I put a nice big hide box in her cage for her where I cleaned it this morning.
When did you put Chewy and her together?
Oh, last month. I had them together 3 nights in a row.
Oh, that was when Chewy got mad because you took him away from Jade. That was then? Oh, so that's when it happened, huh?
Yeah, he had some and I took her away.
And then it made him mad.
Yeah, he had a little bit of an issue. See how pretty the house and everything's coming out? Working on the front room addition today. And then the next addition will be the snake room addition. That'll go between this building and the house. So I'm going to have a whole brand new pine house here when it's over with. New plumbing. No more frozen water lines. No more exploding water lines in the middle of the night. That's the scariest crap I ever had in my house. I walked through a bathroom door. I heard a noise. As soon as I walked through a bathroom door, the pipe let go and it went pew! And it soaked me. My hair was like flattened out, and my face was red from the pressure of the water hitting me in the face. It was so full of power when it came out of that broken
High pressured water stream.
Yeah, it was like a geyser.
I feel like it got sprayed with a fire truck hose.
Yeah, that freaked me right, knocked me back into the kitchen, almost knocked me off my feet. Are you having fun? I'm supposed to be making a video of you, and you're in there exploring in a plastic coat. Hey, come out and be social. Come be social. She froze while I started talking to her. Come be social.
I think when I walked over too.
Huh?
I said I think when I walked in her view too.
Yeah. You gonna be social today? Huh? Hi, Mama Bumma. Hi, Mama Girl. Can I put you back over here? Can I put you back over there? There you go. Let's flip this up so you need less inclined to want to get in. Go get some exercise with your chubby belly.
Come see me.
Yeah, she's really thick through here. She hasn't eaten in 2 months. So I know it's not food. Yeah, that's hard. Really hard. She doesn't like it being touched particularly either.
She's like, why are you touching my eggs? And she just stops.
You gonna be a mama? You gonna be a mama? Whatever you do, don't start laying eggs out here in the sunshine.
She's like, yeah, I'm gonna be a mama, just stop touching me.
Nah, if I thought she was that close, I wouldn't have her out here. But it's weird how they're both coastal carpets, but her colors are so different from Chewy's. Chewy's got all that black and white. She's got this brown and green and beige.
Yeah, Chewy's more black. She's more of the brown.
Yeah. She's got this copper grass color to her.
It's pretty pattern.
She was bright yellow when she was little. All this tan color was bright yellow when I got her. She looked like a jungle carpet, but she's not. She's pure coastal. Both of them came from Brian Barczyk and VHB Reptiles. Hey, Mama.
Well, they went to a really good home.
Hey, Mama. Hi, Gary. Oh, really? How's my girl? So I'm going to curl up and bask in the sun. It feels good. She is, too. She's going to lay here and sunbathe. You having fun? Huh? You having fun? This is the end result of spending quality time with your snakes.
They trust you.
Yeah, they do trust you. There's no reason why they shouldn't have a life outside of a cage. So I trust people. She's gonna lay here and go to sleep in the sun. You bask in your eggs, keeping your eggs warm. As long as they're touching me, they're fine.
She seems pretty content.
Yeah, as long as they're touching me, they're good. People swear snakes don't like being with other snakes. Look up videos on YouTube. Oh my God, it's amazing. They all get together in groups and hunt for food. They live in dens together. People swear that have snakes where, oh, you don't put them together. They like being alone. Oh, what a crock of crap that is. I proved that over the years. Nosy and Grumpy have lived together for 15 years.
Yeah, if you were to split them up, they'd probably be really angry.
And you take one away, take one of them out, the other one that's left behind has a freaking fit.
Yeah,
destroys
they're
the
like
cage,
two Pete's in a pod.
flips the water, has a falls out. The seek and destroy mission going on.
Seek and destroy.
Yeah, they get crazy. Yeah, people say snakes don't have emotions. How they get angry? How do they howl? These are all emotions. Instinct has a role in it, granted, but for them to...
Just because they have a funny way of showing it.
Did the grass go up your nose?
Just because they have a funny way of showing it doesn't mean they don't have emotions.
They definitely have emotions. Gee, when Nosy bit me that bad, that time she got me real bad, she hid her head in the corner and wouldn't come out and wouldn't make eye contact with me or face me until I reached in and petted her after that. I had bandaged.
Because she was afraid of you?
No, she felt bad because she bit me. It bothered her. Look at this. See, I'm basking in the sun. This is the cat's ass. Huh. That what you wanted? Some sunshine? That work for you? I don't think you're going to fit in that high box of her clothes. They love their new clothes. I just put her tiles down the night before last. So she's adjusting to those tiles. Look how battled up my arms are from working out. Slivers, dust, fiberglass. She's loving it. People say, don't take your snakes outdoors, it stresses them out. Yeah, she looks stressed out, doesn't she? Yeah, I'm freaking right out, can't you tell? Huh. They keep her tape. Grass went up her nose again.
Yeah, I saw her head jerk. She's like, ugh.
It's a little early to mow. It's not quite thick enough or all green enough, Jay. Yeah. Yeah, stressed out snake, can't you tell? People are so good. You people are crazy. The grass keeps poking me in my nostril. You gonna get it again? You said you're pretty good. That's right. Can you get a close-up of her head, huh? She's got such a beautiful face.
Yeah, I zoomed in.
She's gorgeous. Now that's a happy snake. That is not a stressed out snake. Yeah, she's definitely gravid. Look at that. Incubating your eggs in the sun. Stressed out, huh? You got a new bright yellow scale on your nose right between your eyes, which is really unique. It's bright, bright yellow. Yeah, she's bugging me. Yeah, I'm stressed out. Yep. Hi, Jay. Hi, Jay. They know their names. People say they don't know.
She just perked her head up.
I know. They know their names. If I go through the house and I call any one of my snakes by name, that snake's head will pop right up and look for me to see where I am. Yeah, they know their names. Jade, what are you doing? Hey, Mama Jade. Hey, Mama Jade. Yeah, she's definitely gravid. Look at that. Just in time to move into the new addition to lay your eggs. Hopefully. See, Mama will make room for me. if she has to put all of her furniture out in the front yard. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. We know her game. We come first. Huh. Wow. Warming up quick. It got your nose again. Well, quit sticking your nose on them blades of grass. Come here, Mama. Look at Mama. Gonna go say hi to Roberto Jr.? I'm just exploring. Oh, it feels so nice. You want to get back in there? You want to go back in your house? Want to go back in your house? Hmm? Yeah. That's her cue if she gets back in there. She wants to go back into her house. Yep. So I'm going to go get back in my house, Mom. They're very intelligent animals. I don't know why people think they're stupid. I got it. I got it. That's her way of telling me she's ready to go back in the house.
Let's go.
Yeah. They all do it. This plastic's kind of worm shaped.
Yeah, because it's black.
You want to get in and go back in the house? Get back in. And now I'm ready to play.
She's like, ugh.
They freak me out. There she goes. She's ready to go back in the house and get back in her enclosure.
She's like, Mom, you embarrassed me.
You kissed me on video. Yeah, she's going to go back in. She wants to go back in the house. That's how smart they are. If it's too warm for them out, they'll get back in the tote to let. That's why I bring all my snakes out in totes. It gives them an option. They don't have to be overheated. They can cool down. And that's what she's doing. She's like, I'm ready to go back in the house.
She's
Stupid
really
animals,
big.
huh? Real stupid animals. According to many people.
Oh.
No, she'll go back.
You sure?
Yeah. It's still there. Your tail's still coming.
She's like, did you just call me big?
You're baddie. You're a fat boy. Tell me, Mama. Tell me, Mama.
As soon as I said she's getting big, she popped her head out. She's like, what?
Tell me, Mama. Let's go in. You're getting warm. I know you enjoyed it, but it's warming up a little bit, and I don't want you huffing your brains out. Good go. I like the way these handles lock tight on here. Thank you, sir.